I think there's always occasions to be found for beers and beers to be found for different occasions. Powerhouse is a brewery and a smokehouse that's located at the 100 Kellogg Lane complex. Here we offer several different types of beers ranging from our core four to a variety of seasonals, easy drinking, people who are new to craft beer kind of idea. And then we also have 8 taps that are rotating. These beers are on tap for 1 to 2 months. A lot of the beers here are very experimental, things that even I'm trying out for the first time. I'm very partial to lagers. What I love about lagers is the simplicity. It's a beer for everyday people. Even if they don't like beer, they're partial to a certain kind of beverage. In their regular life, they only drink whiskey sours. We have a few sour beers on tap, so we'll try to gravitate them towards that. If they drink, say, Bud Light, we have like our 9 to 5 light lager or the cream ale that are very approachable, very easygoing. We try to pair a lot of our beers with a lot of our fresh smoked meats, wings, brisket, pulled pork sandwiches, and it's a great place to hang, whether it be after work or on the weekend for a few beers. I think there's something for everyone at Powerhouse.